Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use Liqui Moly valve cleaner or the valve cleaning liquid. This is an additive for your engine with gasoline. And an additive works like vitamins and trace elements in various areas of your vehicle. For example, the oil additives has more than, or the engine oil has more than 30% additives inside, a modern oil. That means a synthetic oil. The standard oil has not so much. But you can see that the system is with additives. It keeps the system clean and guarantee optimum combustion and compression. The benefit of these additives has in common clean lines in all systems and therefore maximum performance coupled with lower fuel consumption. And this is an awesome option, lower fuel consumption. This is good for our planet and it's good for your pocket. The best basis to make sure you get the maximum pleasure from the cars of your customers for as long as possible. And this valve cleaning liquid is suitable for all gasoline engines as a preventive measure or to solve problems. Tested safe with catalytic converters and turbochargers for adding directly into the fuel tank. Its contents are sufficient for up to 75 liters fuel. That means one Volvo V70 engine or fuel tank is able to get one valve cleaner. And if you have, for example, an Vauxhall Corsa MK4, you have to cut this valve cleaner in 2 times of getting into it. But it's not so hard if you put more in it. It's no problem. So that means it is easy to use, but it will get a lot of better solution for your valves. In your engine is one valve for getting the air and the fuel inside of the cylinder, and one plus of valve to get it out. And these 2 things were getting some dirt and a little bit of rusty, etc. And this engine valve cleaning liquid will make a wash out and clean it. And it's easy to use. I will show you now. So let's start. We are at the petrol station, at the gas station. We unscrew the top elements and then unlock the can. Good job. Now it's time to get the stick in position and rotate it until it is tightened enough. Good job. Now we're ready. Let's open your car fuel tank. And now you can see before we are getting more fuel inside this tank, we get the valve cleaning liquid into the tank directly. Add to fuel whenever filling up. Once 150 milliliters can of valve cleaner is sufficient for 75 liters of fuel. That means mine is now only the half of the valve cleaner enough. Now get the fuel into the tank and get a full of, in this case, 43 liters I will get inside, and it's a standard petrol. So easy it is. Now our valve will be cleaned immediately if the engine is running. So easy it is. So it's not so expensive. Do this once a year. That's enough. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.